Hi there. A user in the DVD Styler forum has a problem with navigation on a DVD created with DVD Styler. I have the user's project here, which is a rather simple project. It has one menu with 6 buttons used to select any of 6 titles to be played. The problem the user experiences is that when the DVD is played and says a title is selected, say title 3 here, and the playing is exited, and by that I take it control is returned to the menu, and then another title is selected by the button. The playing is merely resuming the title previous selected. So I have recreated the user project here, and I'm going to test it using Media Player Classic Home Cinema. And since I only use the same video over and over for the titles, I'll have some information shown down here so we can follow what happened. Say I start playing title 3 by using button 3 here, and it starts alright, and I then navigate back to my title menu and select another. You'll see down here it shows actually which title is being played, and it's actually navigating just as it is expected. I could start title 1, and it starts by title 1. It doesn't resume title 4 as in the user case, and my conclusion is actually it is a feature of the user's player rather than it has anything to do with DVD Styler. So bye from me.